Fluorite is widely used in metallurgical industry, chemical industry, cement industry, glass industry, ceramic industry, and other fields. Fluorite powder ball press compared to easy materials, such as magnesium or magnesia, fluorite powder, and other metallurgical powder materials. Pressing effect is obvious. Special effect. When we should pay attention to the material is not allowed to have any metal, otherwise, it will damage the surface of the roll. Feeding time adopts adjustable speed screw feeder. Observe the return amount to adjust the supply of new material. Before feeding must make the machine whole running for a few weeks. Then begin to fill the material. In order to prevent the machine to eat too much material, cause overload to the reducer and motor, make the ball press roller shaft torsion.